Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is BARNIT BINTA GANI, an ex-student of Ielts professor. Well, my Ielts journey was very difficult because I have two kids. That is why I had utter need for proper training. But after meeting Ielts professor, I really got a perfect solution which I could ever get. Well, Ielts professor helped me a lot. They provided us necessary materials and guidelines along with friendly atmosphere. Basically, I attended his first free class, and after attending the class with Abrar sir, I became more confident because he is a IELTS teachers trainer of British Council, and he showed us the structure of writing session and process of elimination for all the MCQ segments, and he taught us really some powerful power words and idioms for the speaking part, and that is how really Abrar sir's important instructions really helped me to be more calm and collected throughout my journey. Well, mock test experience was really good because it really helped me to learn about time management and actually a trial segment of IELTS final exam. That is why it really helps me a lot, and last but not the least, the headphones quality are really good. Well, I can share some tips from my experience, which is please don't get nervous in the reading segment. That really can bring disaster for your exam, and you really need to learn some power words and idioms for increasing your speaking band score, and you have to follow a structure for writing part 2. If you attend a free class of Abrar sir, I believe you will find it very convenient for your journey. Thank you.